Alright, so today we will be repotting all of these plants into the grow pipe system. So we've propagated some arugula here already for some time, and we've have some basil plants. We've got some amaranth, some different flowers, and we will be putting them out into the system today. So follow along to see how it goes. We will be using our EC meter, our pH pen, our fertilizer from Terra Aquatica, and then we will be placing them into the system that we have prepared last video. So follow along to see how it goes. Okay, so the first plants we will be repotting are the arugula and the basil. We've propagated this in our grow tent, in our propagation tent, and this has been growing for about a month now. Has gotten the right fertilizer, everything it needs, and now it's ready to be plugged into these plugs here. So we just make sure that we get most into the plug like this, and now it's basically ready. A good idea is just to check if all the holes are getting the proper water it needs. From what we can see here, all of them are flowing, so that's great. So I'm gonna put out the plants that we are going to put out in the system, and then I will keep you updated. Alright, now we have taken the different plants, the salads, the arugula, the basil, the different flowers and the herbs, and we've propagated them for a month, and now we will be seeing how they're gonna react. So they are all in the system. It's very important that you get them properly inserted, so it takes as much of the light as possible, and we have as little light hitting the water as possible, because then we will not have too much algae growth. I am going to put a lid on this down here, and then we will see how they will grow for the next couple of months. I will update you in the grow series. And now let's go into the fertilizer. Let's see how we can set up the fertilizer. Okay, so here we have the Terra Aquatica fertilizer. This is great for hydroponics. We will just look what it says on the bottle, and then we are going to give that amount into the tank. I've done this quite a few times by now, so I kind of have it on the back of my mind. So I'm gonna add 25 milliliters of each, the grow and the micro. We're not gonna give them any of the bloom right now, because the bloom, we will wait with this until they actually start flowering. So this is just in with the water, in with the fertilizer. Then I take the EC pen, and this is awesome because you don't have to calibrate this EC pen. This is measuring the conductivity of the water. So that way you will know how much fertilizer is in the water. And right now the ppm is about 550. This is gonna be okay. We're gonna run this way for a week, and then next week we will be adding some more fertilizer. If the leaf starts becoming yellow or miscolored, we will add some more fertilizer, because that's typically a sign of nutrient deficiency. So let's just check the pH value to be sure where we are at. Usually you need to add some pH down if you have too high a pH level. Usually what I found is that you don't need to do it if you just run it on a hobby basis. If you run for profits, then it's important. Right now the pH value is about 8, so the nutrient uptake in the plants is not optimal. We want it to be around 6, something like that. So we could add some pH down, but right now we're gonna run this system, this setup this way the next week, and then we're gonna come back and see how the plants are growing. So follow along. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and then I will see you in the next video of this video series. Take care.